Hello, my name is Bulent Yildiz. I'm an endocrinologist from Hacettepe University, Ankara, Turkey, and I'm excited to invite you to Women's Health sessions at the upcoming Emirates Diabetes Endocrine Congress, EDEC, where I'll be presenting on polycystic ovary syndrome and female hirsutism. Polycystic ovary syndrome, or PCOS, is the most common hormonal disorder affecting women today. In my session, we'll look into latest evidence-based strategies for diagnosis, personalized treatment plans, and comprehensive approaches to improve patient outcomes. Next, we will explore female hirsutism, a condition that can have significant emotional and physical impacts. We'll be discussing the most effective methods for assessment and long-term management. But that's not all. EDEC is a great opportunity to learn from global experts, engage in lively discussions, and build lasting connections with fellow healthcare professionals. Join me and other experts at EDEC in Dubai. I look forward to seeing you there.